Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is UZ Vibes. Today I'm going to be talking about remedy of toothache. Some remedies of toothache. If you're getting to see my video for the first time, would you please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button? It doesn't cost anything. So, and like the video, you can actually share it to as many as would need this remedy. All right, I'll just dive into it. So today I'm going to talk about the remedies for toothache, and one of the remedies of toothache is using a cup of warm water, maybe it's about 200 mils, squeezing some lemon or lime in it, putting half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of baking soda. You stir it and you use it to rinse your mouth. You can as well hold it for some seconds on the part of the gum or that is disturbing you. Hold it and you spit it out. Hold it, do it repeatedly. You definitely find some relief instead of popping in pain medication. Right. The second remedy I want to talk about now is using clove. Clove is very effective in toothache. So how are you going to use clove? There are two different ways I'm going to suggest you can use it. The first way is you can put some clove, about maybe 7 pieces of clove, and boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So after boiling and allowing it to cool down, when it's lukewarm, you can gargle it. You can put it in your mouth and hold it for some time and you spit it out. You do it repeatedly. Another way of using clove for your tooth remedy is grinding it, grinding it into powder. All right, you grind into powder and you use maybe something like a cotton wool to put it on the part that you're experiencing pain. So when you put it there for some minutes, you can then rinse it out. So please, if this is your first time of watching, please subscribe, like, share to as many as we need it. Bye bye. I love you.